April dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you where you can find and how to do this viral add your stickers, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to April add yours at highlights, which is here. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. Click on April dump. Now, if the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below, so you can check that if you have problems with it. Now we have to click on the add yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below that can help you with this problem. And now we just have to go to our uploads and choose our first photo for April dump. First, I will go with this one. Now you can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And now to add a second photo, we have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery. Now I will go with this one. To bring the sticker to the top, you just have to click on it like this and it will appear at the top. So if you wanted to choose and to add another photo, a third, fourth photo, you just have to follow the same steps. Go to stickers from the top of the screen and choose another photo. And now you can share your story with your friends. Guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.